Hello guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbyist. I'm back again with another awesome video, and today I'm going to talk about security cameras, and specifically when you want to install them outdoors, especially in the garden. The biggest challenge we face is how do I pull the wires out, how do I get the networking cables, the battery, and then the base station. A lot of those hassles come in, but not if you have a solar powered wireless camera, which is what we're going to talk about today, which rids you of all those challenges and which rids you of no clumsiness of wires and has a fantastic battery life when I show you this to you. And to top it up, it comes with its own solar charging panel within the box. Now, guys, I'm talking about the new EZVIZ eLife. It's a bundle of the camera itself and the solar panel that comes in the box as one. Now we're going to unbox this, show you what the piece is, and I'm going to go and set it up in my garden out to monitor any unusual activity and keep it safe, and tell you every single feature about it, that how this device can keep you safe and gives you complete control over your security without having to have a single wire drawn up to the camera or out. So press the subscribe button and the notification icon so that you keep getting all the notifications and I keep getting all the motivation to keep bringing these amazing videos and these amazing products to you. So let's get straight on to unboxing it and tell you every single thing about it.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see.
With a lot of other in-sim packaging to keep them safe and intact. We've got the camera, the eLife, EZVIZ eLife, and the solar panel that comes with it. So let's first open the camera and get it out of the box. Inside there, we've got this tiny box. Let's see if it has anything. It just has some paperwork, so nothing extraordinary in there. But then this tiny little beauty, which is wrapped up nicely in this plastic bag. These are all biodegradable ones. I show you that. Most of the brands have adopted to those biodegradable plastics. And this is the camera. Let's rip this protective cover from in front to show you the lenses and all the sensors that it has. This tiny little piece packs a lot of power. And when I tell you about it, you will be more than amazed. And then we have another box on the side. Let's pull this out, put this on the side. I believe this has the mount and the wires and everything exactly. Here we go. So it also has an adapter and a micro USB sort of charging as well. So you can just remove it and charge it and put it back. It has 270 days of battery life, which I'm going to tell you all about in a bit. But this is easy to install, magnetic. So you can just simply remove it, charge it, and magnetic back there again. And then of course this goes in as an installation, which we're going to set it up right here when you screw this up beautifully. So this is what comes inside here. So the camera stuff is out. Let's open the solar panel box and take it out to show you how the solar panel looks like and how easy it is to manage and maintain that. So we're gonna just pull this out, put this box down, and we are ready to show you. Here we go. Easy mount to put your solar panel permanently in one spot. Let's get this out and show you how it looks like. comes with all the screws that you need to mount it on the wall. And there's a mounting sticker to give you a guiding line as well. So you just take this and put the screws in the right place. That's making user experience a beautiful one. That's the micro USB cable, which you can plug into your camera. And then the panel that gets, the solar panel that gets mounted onto the screw here. So once this is done and the camera right next to it, you don't have to worry about it. And this cable is long enough just in case you want to keep it at a distance. So fairly making your life easier with this solar panel as well. Now, as you know, like all solar panels, make sure you give it a daily wipe to make sure there is no dust on it, just to have a better charging and better receiving of the sunlight to charge this up. So I'm going to take all this and set it up in my garden and show you real-time usage of it. Easy to set up, I'm sure, because just 2 or 3 screws of this and 3 screws of this, and then all the magic is done by the EZVIZ app, and we will be ready to go. So guys, before I get on to the technicals and start installing this, I want you to understand that gives you a lot of flexibility, not just from the technology and security perspective, but installation perspective as well. We saw the magnetic one, which means you can just simply plug this here, but to mount, you can mount this on the wall using this part, and this goes with the screws, and you have the map to showcase that as well, the dual screws on somewhere here. Here we go. So just this goes on top, and then you simply screw it right here, and then you can just remove the camera straight easy. In case you don't feel very confident with the magnetic thing, take this out and screw it onto this clamp right here. So the screws goes in the same place, and then you have a screw which you can put it on the camera to give it, and it still has that roller thingy to adjust the angle wherever you see fit. Solar panel is pretty simple, and on the camera we've got this micro USB charging port right here, where either the physical charging or through solar panel charging cable goes in, and that's pretty much it. Rest all is packed neatly inside. So let's start talking about a little bit of technical details of this beautiful product right. So guys, I have finished setting up the EZVIZ eLife 2K Plus. Also, you can look online for the same product with a different model, slightly different model number. It's called BC1C2K, EZVIZ eLife BC1C2K Plus as well. Now, setup fairly easy, just a small little screw thingy that I showed you. I didn't have to call the guy to set it up. It was fairly easy, just 2 drill bits, and I was sorted out, just five holes, and I was able to screw up the panel and the camera both. I prefer to go in for the magnetic one, so just in case I'm not there, my partner can just pull it out and put it for charging whenever she wants. Not that you'll have to do it very often. 100% wire-free experience is what is amazing about it. No wires have to be drawn up, pulled out, anything. It's got a 270 days of battery life built in. With that kind of a long life battery, and most amazingly, the 2K plus resolution on the video quality is what makes this product very, very unique, along with many other technical specs which you're going to talk about. But really love the easy installation bit, great long battery life, what I'm looking forward to, and a 2K plus video quality, crystal clear videos to make sure that I'm able to see who is there in my garden and if there is an intruder I need to be worried about. So, 2K resolution, and it's got a compression of H.265 video compression, which means it can store a lot of stuff within the camera itself because it has a 32 GB onboard eMMC storage card pre-installed. So sorted. You don't need an external SD card or anything else. It got everything sorted out. And then, of course, you can always use the EZVIZ cloud to keep the videos that it records when you're away, and you can check them out in case you want to go through them to ensure that you're feeling safe as well. Now, when you talk about the features, fantastic activity events, which it has a smart human detection and motion detection. So it just not senses the motion; it detects the shape of a human being. Now, I live in a pets-friendly neighborhood, so we often have the cats jumping into our garden every now and then. So it doesn't send me a ping there, and I'm happy to have those cats over. But as long as EZVIZ doesn't notify me, which it doesn't, so which is fantastic at all the times. And when you come on to the night, it has colored night vision now, which is fantastic. Along with that, it also has black and white. That means even in the pitch dark, when the lights are off in the garden, when we go to bed, it gives me crystal clear view of my garden space that I've set up and on the angle off to ensure that in case there is a ping that comes in, I am able to quickly have a look and absolutely take care of it if it requires to be taken care of, which is fantastic. Along with that, I mean, if I'm away and we do have an entrance from the garden side as well. So in case someone comes in, it has a two-way communication as well, where I can talk to the person, which is fantastic, looking at them on the phone app, and I'm able to see them and I'm talk to them. But also there's an option to set up customized result to get some basic information in case a delivery guy comes in, he's leaving the package. You can just simply, it'll ask the person who is it, they can tell their name and where they come from, and we can do that recording with this customized voice alert, which you can set up using the EZVIZ app. It works on Wi-Fi 2.4 gigahertz. It is IP66 weatherproof design. That means the Dubai kind of a drizzle and rain and dust and sand should not be the thing to worry about with when you have an EZVIZ eLife 2K installed in your system. Now, the battery and the solar panel, again, very, very easy to install, just through screws, and I've set it up. I know where the sun comes in the brightest and just plugged in that. So I don't even have to remove the camera to charge it with when the solar panel is there. And anyways, with full charge, it has a 270 days of battery life. And as per the box, which is the empty box, which is right here, it also has a 7,800 mAh battery, and with the video compression and the recording formats, the battery life is fairly long when it comes to 270 days, which is amazing. So guys, a great product. I really am looking forward to keeping having a feeling of safety in my garden, at least, and especially with the outdoor season coming up. We've got a lot of stuff which keeps lying around the garden. So guys, fantastic stuff. Go check it out. Check out those links below if you need any more information. If you have any questions, just leave us a comment below and we'll be happy to have them answered. This is your friend, the Great Lobby, signing off, keeping you safe and keep yourself safe. Peace. Guys, if you're looking at buying this amazing security layer for your home, especially outdoors, you can buy it off Sharaf DG, Virgin Megastores, Jumbo, and all the major shopping malls, and also online on Amazon.ae. Link is in the description below. You know what to do.